Thanks for tuning in for another essential RC flight test, and here we have the EACHINE Mini Mustang P-51D from our friends at banggood.com. So again, this is a great product where you get everything that you need in the box to get flying. You get the model airplane, you get the battery, the flight battery for it and the recharger, and you get the transmitter or controller. It comes with a 6-axis gyro, so that's going to provide a certain level of stabilization when you're flying. So if there's a little bit of wind, it'll iron out that bumpiness in the air. Also has apparently a trick button, so to perform aerobatics. We'll explore that, and it probably has some different modes as well because of the 6-axis gyro system, but we'll explore that. But let's take it out of the box. Let's see what we get. Okay, so here we are, all the components out of the box. So the P-51D Mustang, it's a nice size, isn't it? You can see it's made of EPO foam, so really resilient. It's got a nice scale scheme on it as well, looks really good. You can see underneath the servo connected to the ailerons and the push rods for the elevator and rudder as well, and the prop at the front. Does look really good. There's the little battery. It's a 1-cell 360 milliamp hour battery. In the little baggie here you get a spare propeller and spinner in there, screwdriver. There are wheels as well. Nice big wheels. I'm not a fan of adding the wheels onto these planes unless they're retractable, because I think there's nothing worse than seeing a plane flying around with its wheels dangling down. So I probably won't bother with those, and I'll just hand launch it, but it's up to you. Then we've got the transmitter. This is the typical transmitter you get from these guys, EACHINE. So it's got to point out, other than the sticks, it's got an aerobatics button. And it's also got a switch, 3-position switch up here for expert, middle and beginner. So we'll play around with that when we fly it. So also in here is the USB charger for the battery. So you're just going to have to plug it into a laptop or a converter, so you can put it into the mains, and that'll probably take 45 minutes to charge up. So that's what I'm going to do now. We're going to take it down the flying field and fly it for the first time. But just before I do, should mention, please subscribe to the Essential RC YouTube channel. You can do that by hitting the subscribe button now. But also remember to hit the bell icon as well, so you get notifications of all our uploads in the future. Okay, so here we go. We're down the flying field with the P-51 Mustang. Let's give it a go. I'm going to start off in beginner mode on the 3-position switch, and we'll try the others, and we'll try the aerobatics switch as well. So it's a little bit windy today, probably 10-15 miles an hour, but it's got a gyro system, so I think you'll probably be surprised how good this performs in the wind. We'll try it anyway. Here we go. So initial thoughts are, even in this very gusty wind, I'm quite impressed with the gyro. And it's not letting me roll inverted. So let's go to the middle position. That's again on the middle position. It's not letting me roll inverted, but it is giving me more control, I'd say. And then if I put it on the expert
mode, then I've got full control, so I can roll inverted now. What? Bring it back. So that was good. Let's put it back into beginner mode. So that I pushed the switch and then the ailerons, and it rolled. Let's try that again. So even if you're a beginner and you're flying this and you want to do aerobatics, you can use that switch in beginner mode. So there you go, that's the EACHINE P-51D Mustang. Quite impressed in this wind actually, especially in that beginner mode. It keeps it pretty stable in the gusty wind. And you see into that wind, it could almost not go forward and just hold on the elevator with a bit of power and it'll stay there. Quite impressed with that. And explored the middle and expert modes as well, and used that aerobatics button as well to do loops and rolls. Really, really simple. Use the link, it's in the video description or the pinned comment. Look up the price, I think you'd be surprised, on banggood.com. But thanks for watching this one. We'll see you for the next flight test.